Hello, this is JMVK TV. You must know me now. And this is the fifth learning of the cartoon guide to algebra. First, the fifth learning of algebra is the balancing act. Balancing acts are very important. They balance the equations and also they're very useful in expressions. And you can solve many problems with them. So, let's review. What's an equation? Equation is a statement, and also the things on the sides are on the same number or an equal number. So you can know the variables, what the variable is, and how much it is. Expressions are different. It's just a recipe of variables and numbers. So it's just like making a fish with carrots and also many spicy things. And that is an expression, but it doesn't have any other side. So it just is a part of an equation. So two expressions become an equation. Now that we reviewed about the equation and the expressions, let's know about solving the equation. To solve the equation, we need to know about some of this. The laws of equations are very important. If you don't know them, you can't solve a problem because you will get the wrong answer. The first person to solve an equation was algorithm, a person from India that was also a very, very good mathematician. He solved many equations and expressions, and he's also the first people who made equations and expressions into one big drawing. And he also solved that by the drawing. Solving the equation uses algorithmic laws of equation. First, when A is equal to B, A plus C is B plus C. And C is a variable that you don't know. When A is B, A minus C equals B minus C. This is also very not that hard. And 3, B is A, and A multiplied by C is B multiplied by C. And 4, A is B, A divided by C is B divided by C. Now that we know about some of the laws of equations, let's know about the steps. The steps of equations are: first, erase the parentheses. In these equations, parentheses aren't our friends, so erase them all. Then isolate the terms. The terms mean the constant terms and the variable terms. The variable terms are the variables and the constant terms are the numbers besides the variables. So isolate the terms with not separate terms and same terms, like one place is with constant term, and one is with variable term, and also the third one, combine the terms. What does it mean about combining the terms? If there is 2x minus 3x plus x, it means to make them into one variable x multiplied by a number. In this case, it is 0x. Then divide by the constant term that is multiplied to the variable. So in this case, as we solve it, we erase the parentheses, no parentheses, isolate terms, and this becomes 2, and this becomes 6. Then combine the terms, this becomes 2, and this becomes 6. I told you so. And so divide by the constant term. In this case, it's like dividing by 2. So it becomes that x is 3. Also, is dividing by the number multiplied by 1, which makes the variable term into the 1. Rebalancing is also very important. Rebalancing is to rebalance the equation or expression. Rebalance means balance, and also becomes again, so it means again balance. To rebalance, multiply -1 to it and move it to the other side. How does this work? See. Example, in this equation, x plus y is z, then, like it's saying, minus y from each expressions, and you get x equals z minus y. And also, this is the y going to a minus 1 multiplied, then going to the other expression. So rebalancing is also very important, and I taught you about it. Now we should know about some things about solving the equations. Fraction terms and also negative terms are very hated. Fraction terms can be solved by multiplying the LCD, or the least common divisor, of the numbers on the lines. And the negative terms is multiply -1 to the equation, or the two expressions on the left side and the right side. Now that you learned a little bit about algebra again, you are going to become a math master. Bye bye.